Okay, so for estimation, rounding, actually in adding or multiplication, it will be a possible, the answer may vary. But I'd like just to be specific to do the right answers, okay, to let you do not involve to any tricks or mistakes or anything else. Okay, so here's a question. Estimate, then find the sum or difference. Okay, so you have to estimate first, and then you have to find the sum or difference. Remember this. So here's, I need to add 186,231 plus 88,941. So I have to estimate. Okay, in this case, I can do, okay. So if you want to estimate to the first digit from left here, it will be okay, no problem for this. So I'm just going to underline, here's 1, and here is 8. Okay, so what after 1 is 8. 8 is more than 5, so I have to add 1 to the 1, so it will be 2. Are you following? So the rest of the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it will be how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Let's do the next here. What after 8 here? Another 8. So this 8 can give 1 because it's more than 5, so I have to add 1 to this 8. So 1 plus 8, it will be 9. And the rest of the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have to write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is a comma. So let's make an add. It's normally 0 plus 0, so remember, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundred under hundreds, and so on. So it will be 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0 plus 9, 9, and here's 2. Okay, I have another answer for this one. So maybe some of you will try to figure it out. They will estimate it to the same place value. So actually, some of you trying to estimate to here 10,000, and here is another 10,000. So after this, 6, and after this is also 8. Okay, so after all, if you want to round to tens, to 10,000s actually, so what after 10,000 here? 6, it's more than 5, so I have to add 1 to 8, so it will be 9, and here is the 1, it will be as it is. So the rest of the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be 4 zeros. Do not forget to put comma after 3 digits from left, okay, to know the period's name. So here is ones periods, here is thousands periods, to make it easy to read. Okay, here's, I have to do the same here. Okay, it will be as it is. So here is 8, more than 5. So in this case, I have to add 1 to this 8. So it will be 1 plus 8 equals 9. And here is the rest of digits. It will be zeros, 4 zeros. And here's a comma. So, but in this one, okay, I'm just making add. Do not forget this. So here is 0. Here is 0. Here is 0, comma, 0. 9 plus 9, 18, 8. Carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and do not forget to make addition here. So 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 9, 11. 1, carry up 1. Okay, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 5, carry up 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7, carry up 1. Or regrouping, 1 plus 1, 2. Don't forget to put the comma. Here is for addition.